Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to create SCD Type 1 using mapping template wizard in Informatica Power Center. So this is the 17.4 of this Informatica classes series. And here I'm going to use the table department. So this is the data that's present in the department. And here this is the target table. There is nothing inside there. Okay, and let's go on this mapping designer. So first here going to show you the structure of this or departments. So department is the table. Here you can see this is and the target table that's going to use or this department DCT. So DPT number is primary key and there is one S key column is there. This is number type. Thereafter go on this mapping or designer. Then you need to go on this mapping. Here you can see mapping template wizard. You need to go on this solely changing dimension. Here type 1. Then you can select here a static or dynamic change. So let's select here a static changes and click on this or add mapping. Let's give here meaningful name of this mapping. So giving here m underscore SCD type 1. So mapping wizard. So name should be meaningful. After that, parameter and values that's come there. You need to click this. Here you need to select the source. So source that is department. And here you can see this surrogate key. It's not or this coming there. So here you need to check this create target or uncheck. So department. Here you can select the target and surrogate key S key that's going to select. So logical key. So logical key that's going to give there or DPT number. So here logical key logical key fields. Let's give your DPT number and going to do the comparison. If user do any changes on this location, so that will go for update. Okay, and so that here giving comparison key location. Now after that click on this set field association and or here you need to select here DPT number for DPT number and DNAME for DNAME and the location for location. You need to select this. After that, that's all looking fine. Click on OK and now click on next. Click on next. Click on yes. Here you can see two objects that's come there. After that click on this close and now mapping generated successfully. Click on next and next and here you can see connection object. So let's give here that's come from escort, so that escort giving. If here you need to give the correct connection. So let's give there escort one more time and here escort. Now after that click on OK. If I go here you can see escort connection is there, so that I have given the escort. Now the next is after giving this all, let's click on this next and workflow that generated successfully. Click on finish. So that I just created one new mapping M or this one or MSCD mapping wizard. So what you need to do first, so let's save this mapping. So here you can see this is valid, and after that here if I scroll down, here you can see this is the mapping is there. So here you can see this is the structure of this mapping. Lookup, if I go on this lookup, you can see the properties here, condition, DPT number, that is the condition, and this is the correct field association that's come there. Now the next is let's go on this workflow manager. So workflow manager is now opening there. After that here let's select the workflow. So MSCD that I just created. Let's double click there, go on this mapping. So escort, that's fine. This TCT that's come there, normal, make that normal and normal. And for lookup there is no any or relational connection is there, so let's use the object. So this target that's come from escort. After that save this, and if I go on this designer, right click there arrange all, and if I go into arrange iconic, you can see. So this looking here, this transformation that's I use there. Okay, sequence, filter, router. After that, now let's go on this workflow manager and start the task simply. So since target does not have any record, so that here you can see 1 second. Now you can see this is succeeded. So let's make that little bigger. And here you can see this is now for record that's go to target. And if I go into this target table, run the record, run the table, then you can see this record that's inserted. And after that here going to use their get session log, and now scroll down. So here you can see. So if I go scroll up, here you can see this is inserted, requested for, and apply affected. Here requested for. So that's go for insert. Now thereafter the next is let's go there. Source departments. Let's click there. Go into the data, and now going to change the city. So city is now Prague. Let's give here the new name of the city, Macau, and click on, and here let's do here commit. So commit successfully, and now thereafter let's start the session once again. So session start there. So now this time you can see department, one record that's applied and affected, that's go for DCT form. If I go into this here on this target table, here you can see the new city that's come here, Macau, and if I go there get session log. So let's go there get session log, and if I scroll down, so here you can see updated requested form. So here requested one, so that's go for update. So insert or update that's performed there. Okay, so this is the first way to discuss about how to perform SCD type yarn using mapping wizard with the help of dynamic lookup. So let's go on this mapping, and here slowly changing type 1 dynamic changes. You need to select. So giving here the mapping name. So let's give here m underscore SCD1 using dynamic change. Then after let's go on this parameter. Here you need to select the tables. So going to select your department, and here this surrogate key is not coming there. Let's select this, uncheck again departments that's come there. Let's select here S key and logical key. So logical key that's for DP number, and doing the changes on this location so that comparison that's selected. Select the field association by adding the field. So DPT number that's go for DPT number, and there DName that's go for DName, and location that's go for location, and this is not required, so that delete. After that click on OK, next, yes, close, next, here you need to give the correct connection. So giving there escort, let's give there escort. So let's click there, let's select here escort, and there also going to select the escort, and now click on next, finish. So mapping that's created there, dynamic changes. Let's save that first, and this you can see the transformation, lookup, filter, update as, and now here you can see this, so that's using there. See this is mapping is valid, and after that the next is let's go on this workflow manager. So first going to close these tools. This is not required, this also not required. So from there going to open this workflow manager. So workflow manager is now opening. And now let's click on this OK. And here this is the workflow dynamic changes. Drag there, double click this, here mapping, escort, that's fine. Let's change there, normal. And or dynamic, let's take this, use object, that's come from escort. And here apply, OK. Save that. And now simply you need to start the task. So now you can see this succeeded. Let's go there. Here you can see 4 that's come there. 4 inserted record. Let's check there. Get session log. So here if I scroll down. So here you can see this go for insert. 4 for insert. So because on this target there is nothing, so that's go for insert. Now let's do some changes there. So giving the here new location Denver to Boston. So let's click on this OK, and here save that. Then after start the session once again. So session, let's close this. So session is now currently running. One applied. Let's go there, get session log. And if I go down, then you can see one updated, requested for updated. So let's go there and execute this query. Here you can see the city that's changed there, Boston. So this is how we can perform SCD Type 1 using dynamic lookup as well as a static lookup using mapping template wizard. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.